Hello teacher, I'm Kayla Diaz. I'm going to tell you my daily routine. Every morning, I wake up at 4 a.m. I get up at 4:10. I brush my teeth and take a shower. Then I go to the kitchen. I have my morning tea. I make breakfast. I usually have a boiled egg, some toast, and drink some hot tea. On the weekend, I have bacon and eggs. I always read the Bible while eating breakfast. After I finish my breakfast, I wash the dishes. I usually leave home at 5:30 a.m. I always take the Transcaribe to work. It takes about 30 minutes. Sometimes I drive to work, but I really dislike traffic. I arrive to work at around 6:10. I'm rarely late to work. I have lunch with my coworkers at 1:45 p.m. We often go to a small restaurant. It's really close to our school. It's very cute and it has great food. I often finish work at 2:30, but sometimes I have to work overtime. I often go to the gym on my way home from work. I work out for about 8 hours. I get home at about 5. I cook dinner. I usually listen to music while eating dinner. After dinner, I clean up. Then I prepare my next English classes. I seldom watch TV for about 30 minutes to an hour. Then I take a hot bath. I drink a cup of tea. And finally, I go to bed around 11. Okay, teacher? That's all. Have a great night. Bye-bye.